Hey guys, welcome to the today's tutorial and this is my first video in this channel and I welcome you guys. And in this tutorial I'll be talking about how to start your affiliate marketing business and start making a full-time income. And I'll be making videos about affiliate marketing and how to make money online and all other stuff. If you are interested in all that stuff, please subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with today's topic, like what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is the way you as an affiliate earn a commission by recommending or by recommending products or services to your customer to solve their problems. So solve their problem is very important here. You can't just simply recommend anything that to your customer that don't build a long-term relationship. So always provide value to your customer. So that's the way that's the long-term way you can go with affiliate marketing. So in affiliate marketing, what happens is there will be a product owner and there will be customers. So you get a unique link from whenever you apply to be an affiliate to some of the products, and whenever someone purchases through that link, you get a you get a commission. So that's how through that unique link you will be tracked. So one of the products I promote is ClickFunnels, and so for ClickFunnels, whenever someone buys through my link, so I get paid a commission. So that's how it works. And and if you're starting out new with online business and everything, so affiliate marketing is the best way to get started. Why? Because you don't need to own a product. So whenever you're starting out, if you don't have a product, so you to create a product, like, it takes a lot of effort and time and money as well. But in affiliate marketing, you don't need to own that product. You just need to focus on your marketing. The rest will be taken care by the product owner. And also, you don't need a large capital to get started. You need very little or no money to get started. So because you are not creating any product here, or you are not giving any tech support or any kind of support, any shipment or refund, all that chaos we will not be there. You just need to focus on your marketing stuff. And the best part I love affiliate marketing is because you can work from any location. All you need is just an internet connection and a laptop or a mobile phone to get started. So, and as I told, like, you don't need to make the sales videos or the support or shipment. Everything will be taken care by the product owner. All you need to do is focus on your marketing stuff. So now you understood what is affiliate marketing. So to get started, I have divided this into 4 phases. So the first phase is figuring out your game plan. So here, what you will be doing is you need to figure out your niche. Niche is nothing but the audience that you want to specific audience that you want to target. So you can't be just like writing something about affiliate marketing, and net tomorrow you are writing about something about muscle building. So this can't happen. So you need to pick up a niche that you're passionate about, and you can talk like hours together, or you can create content. Because affiliate marketing, whenever you create a lot of content, that's how you get more visitors, and that's how you get more sales. So it's always important to you choose something that you're passionate about. Majorly, there are the niche you can widely we can talk about is health, how to make money online, relationships. So this is in health, like, you can narrow it down to keto diet plan, muscle building, weight loss, a lot of other stuff. And then you can find a product to start promoting it. And in how to make money online, like, you have many digital softwares that can help people to make money online. So you can recommend those products by providing value to your customers. Relationship, dating apps, there are a lot of things. So what you need to do is you make a list of things that you think you're passionate about, and you can create content like anything. And then start narrowing it down. And don't waste too much time in it, because I wasted a lot of time figuring out my niche. So don't do that. Just get started. Just choose one niche, like you feel like you get that vibe, like, I can talk about it. So just pick that up and start. Now you want to find a product that you want to promote. So some of the suggestions, like some of the affiliate networks I'm talking here, ClickBank is a very large affiliate network where it gives you a commission like 50 to 75%, and Zevizu also does the same, like 50 to 75% commissions. ClickFunnels gives 40% of commission. So what you can do is you can just go to Zevizu, and based on your niche, you can just choose your niche. Like it can be anything related to internet marketing or mobile gaming or anything. Once you go through that, and you can select a request for approval for to get your link, and then you can start promoting it. So this is Zevizu, ClickFunnels, and there are a lot of affiliate networks that you can go ahead and promote. So and there is high ticket affiliate marketing, like that ranges from $3,000 to $6,000. There is something called as Legendary Marketer. It's a course that will help you to start your business from scratch, and it's a 15-day course, so that it starts with a $7 plan, but it eventually sells a high ticket offers as well. So why we suggest high ticket or recurring commission products is because to sell, let's say you are promoting some product like that is giving you $20 commission, and like to make $1,000 you need to make at least 50 sales. At the same time, let's say you have a product that is giving you $3,000 commission. All you need to do is just make 4 sales. So it takes all the same amount of effort to sell something very cheap, but however, like it's always recommended to go for higher ticket and recurring commission. When I say recurring, some of the products like offer recurring commissions, like once someone's buys through your link, and if they are on a monthly plan or a yearly plan, whenever they pay, like you get paid commission throughout, unless and as long as they are active on that platform. So choose your product, and once you choose your product, and you need to apply for the to be an affiliate for that product, and you can get your unique links. Like Zevizu, you can just they are absolutely free. You can just go and apply and get your links as well. Same goes with ClickBank, and you can go and apply for them. Once you have your product now, so right now, I mean, you understood what is affiliate marketing, and you you selected your target audience, and now you also choose your product as well. So now let's understand how you can how the affiliate marketing works, like how you can put into place like an automated system where it brings you money all the time. So here is the layout, like which I want to show you guys. So here, like we will be driving the traffic through YouTube, Facebook ads, solo ads. You can choose any one of them. Always remember, like once you choose a traffic source, stick with it. So let it be YouTube, or let it be Facebook ads, or solo ads, or Google ads. Just let it be. And what most affiliate, like even I did this mistake when I started off with affiliate marketing. So I started driving the traffic to drive directly to my affiliate link. So thinking about the sales, okay, let's say I drive 500 people visitors to my link. Okay, let's say some 50, at least 10 will buy from it. So what happens is, okay, let's say 10 bought as well. So that's a good thing. Look, I made some money. But what about the remaining 490? Like that I missed out. So instead of directly driving the traffic to your affiliate link, what I suggest is like just drive your traffic to your opt-in page. Okay, I'll explain what is opt-in page, and then opt-in page is nothing but basically for an example here, this is one of the opt-in page I use. So opt-in page is like you collect someone's email address, phone number, or etc. other details. Okay, so this is built on ClickFunnels. You just collect some of the emails, and through a autoresponder, like you keep on sending them emails, and then they once they opt in, then you take them to the offer page. So what happens here is, once they opt in, you get their email address. So what it means is, like you have their email address, and even if they don't buy right now, okay, you keep sending them emails, follow-up emails, like you provide some value, and you keep on following up with them. Eventually they will buy, because if you directly drive the traffic to offer, what happens is there can be only two things: sale or no sale. But if you drive a traffic to opt-in page, you will have their email address all the time, and that's your online asset that you can send any offer to them later on. So that's how you make big bucks using affiliate marketing. So this is a very common mistake that everybody does when getting started. So for this setup, like you need at least two softwares. One is ClickFunnels to build your opt-in page and sales page, and another one is autoresponder, like to send emails, collect emails and send emails. I recommend GetResponse or Aweber. So I'll provide the links for this the softwares are in the description, and also I'll make the videos how to set this up actually at the technical level. So here is one of my funnel. So how you can build these pages and everything to using ClickFunnels. I'll come up with the videos and I'll link those in the description, so that you can follow them and create by your own. Okay, so now you have set up your pages and the email sequences are ready. Then you need to send traffic. So while sending the traffic as well, as I told you, like you need to be very specific and you stick to one traffic source. Let it be it's YouTube, blogs, or Facebook, Instagram. Just focus on one thing and start building your audience there. So how you build audience? You provide value, and eventually you will gain the audience, and you can start promoting the products. And there are some paid methods as well, like you can use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads to get your first commission. And solo ads is something uh, you can go to Udemy and you can check, like there will be many vendors like who want to sell their email list. They have already built an email list. What you need to do is you need to buy the traffic from them, like 500 visitors. They will charge like $100 depending on their I mean, depending on their offer, like they will charge you. And you need to, what they will do is you give them the link and they will drive traffic to your link. So it's like buying a traffic basically. So once you, this is how everything is set up. Once you are done it, like you need to test it, and you need to scale it up, or you need to change your ad on different landing pages, different emails, everything that comes under phase 4. So this is what is basically about affiliate marketing, and this is just an overview. I'll be making videos on how to set up everything. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.